So here we go. It's day one of our Trent Severn waterway tour. We're heading out of Wayport Marina. Is that what it is? Way something. Anyway, so Wayport Marina. Heading out of here, and then we're going to our first lock, which will be Port Severn. Go through Port Severn, and we're hoping to get through Big Chute, and then maybe stay at Swift Rapids tonight. So we'll see how it goes.
I'm giving everything I got. God knows I know it's not a lot. I'm headed somewhere, but I don't know where just yet. I've still got something left to prove that there's nothing I won't do. Do what it takes so I can.
She got eyes that cut you like a knife, and her lips that taste like sweet red wine, and her pretty legs go to heaven every time. She got a gentle way that puts me at ease, and when she walks in the room I can hardly breathe. Got a devastated smile, knock a grown man to his knees. She got one of them idiots, it blows me away. She's everything I wanna say to a woman, but I couldn't find the words to say. She got one of them idiots, I don't know what to do. Cause every time I try to tell her how I feel, it comes out, I love you. You got whatever it is. Been the type that would ever want to stay, bring them home at night and they're gone the next day. But that all changed when she walked into my life. And people ask her why it is, tell them I don't know, that just something about the woman makes my heart go haywire. She's gonna be my wife. She got one of them idiots, it blows me away. She's everything I wanna say to a woman, but I couldn't find the words to say. She got one of them idiots, I don't know what to do. Cause every time I try to tell her how I feel, it comes out, I love you. You got whatever it is. That's how I feel, cause when she loves me, I'm on top of the world. Cause when she loves me, no I can.
Well, here we are. We just spent our second night at Rosedale, our second night on the Trent Severn waterway. We had some rain last night around, I don't know, around 2 o'clock in the morning. Had a big tarp over the boat. But it got in, so the boat's a little wet, but no harm, no foul, a little dry, it's just water. Kristen's got breakfast going, we're having big omelet breakfast today. Fresh brewed coffee. Damn. This is the bottom of the lock, looking out. So today we're gonna go through Fenelon Falls. Then I think we're going to stop at Bob Cajun, which is really, only about 45 minutes away, maybe an hour, depending on the lock. Well, after last night's rain, we headed out from Rosedale? Yeah. And now we're at Lovesick Lock, which we thought would be our turnaround point, which is going to be our turnaround point. But we're gonna go to Burley Falls tomorrow. We're gonna go through and just check out Stony Lake, see what it's like up there. But the bottom of Lovesick Lock is pretty awesome. So here we are, and this is our little place. Happy place. That's right.
This is our happy place.
It was so nice. Everything got so wet last night on the boat that we're just, you know, it's about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're here, which is perfect. Everything's just drying out. Everything that was on the boat is drying out. The carpet's drying up. And in a little bit, we're gonna go for a swim. We're hoping to get over to that island. We'll see.
Said I was in my early 40s with a lot of life before me, when a moment came that stopped me on a dime. I spent most of the next days looking at the x-rays, talking about the options and talking about sweet time. I asked him when it sank in that this might really be the real end. How's it hit you when you get that kind of news? Man, what'd you do? And he said, I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Manchu. And I looked deeper and I spoke sweeter and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. He said I was finally the husband that most of the time I wasn't. I became a friend would.
Discover this little bay. Just went swimming. It's hot. Just this little bay along. We're in between. We just came down Swift Rapids Lock, and now we're on our way to the Big Chute. We're gonna take the Big Chute over, and we're gonna spend the night at Port Severn. So we need to stop here. Get a little R&R. It's absolutely beautiful.
Diving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Man.